A painted ceiling design can transform an ordinary space into an extraordinary one. With the right colors and techniques, you can create a unique and artistic focal point in a room. When selecting a paint color for your ceiling, consider the overall color scheme of the room. Choose a color that complements the existing furniture and decor to create a cohesive and balanced design. The lighting in the room can impact the way a ceiling design looks. Consider the natural light coming in through the windows and artificial lights, as they can either enhance or distract from the design. Before painting the entire ceiling, it's essential to test the paint on a small, inconspicuous area first. This will allow you to see how the paint looks under different lighting conditions and ensure you're happy with the color. Invest in high-quality paint specifically designed for ceilings. This will ensure that the paint is durable and resistant to fading or chipping, prolonging the life of your ceiling design. Make sure to cover the floor and surrounding areas with drop cloths or plastic sheets to prevent any paint splatters. This will protect your belongings and make cleanup easier. Large ceilings can be overwhelming to paint in one go. Instead, divide the ceiling into smaller sections and work on one at a time. This will make it easier to achieve the desired results and avoid mistakes. A monochromatic ceiling design involves painting the entire ceiling in a single color, creating a sleek and minimalist look. This style is perfect for modern interiors and can be amplified by using different shades or tones of the same hue. Geometric patterns can add a touch of playfulness and interest to any space. Consider painting geometric shapes such as triangles, squares, or circles on the ceiling, using contrasting colors to create a visually striking effect. For a more organic and nature-inspired look, consider using floral or botanical designs on the ceiling. These designs can be achieved by painting actual flowers or abstract versions of them, adding a touch of elegance and charm to the room. Murals are large-scale paintings that cover the entire ceiling. They can depict anything from abstract designs to intricate landscapes or portraits. Murals provide a unique opportunity to add personality and character to a room, making it a truly one-of-a-kind space. A contrasting ceiling paint color design involves choosing a color that contrasts with the main color of the room. This can create an eye-catching and visually stimulating effect. For example, painting the ceiling a lighter color than the walls can create an illusion of height and openness. A coordinating ceiling paint color design involves choosing a color that coordinates with the main color of the room. This can create a harmonious and cohesive look. For example, painting the ceiling a shade lighter or darker than the walls can create a visually appealing contrast. An accentuating ceiling paint color design involves highlighting the architectural features of the ceiling. Choose a color that complements the existing architectural elements, such as crown molding, beams, or architectural details. This can add depth and interest to the space. The lighting in a room can affect the way a ceiling paint color appears. Pay attention to the natural light in the room and consider choosing a color that complements or enhances it. For example, if the room has large windows, a lighter color with a reflective quality will make the room appear brighter and more open. The size of the room can also impact the choice of ceiling paint color. Large rooms can accommodate bolder and brighter colors, while smaller rooms may benefit from lighter and more subtle shades. Consider the overall size of the room and the overall mood you want to create. The style and decor of the room should also be taken into consideration when selecting a ceiling paint color. Consider the existing color palette, furniture, and artwork in the room. Choose a color that complements the overall design and enhances the existing elements. The shape of the ceiling can also influence the choice of ceiling paint color. Flat ceilings can be painted any color, while vaulted or tray ceilings may require careful consideration. Consider matching or accentuating the existing architectural features to create a cohesive look. A painted ceiling design can be a great way to make a statement and elevate the aesthetics of any room. Whether you opt for a simple and monochromatic look or something more intricate, incorporating a painted ceiling design into your interior can add character and style to your home. So, let your imagination run wild and create a ceiling design that reflects your unique vision. color design can greatly enhance the overall look and feel of a room. It can be used to create a specific ambience, add interest to a space, or tie in with other design elements in the room. When selecting a ceiling paint color, it is important to consider several factors to ensure a cohesive and visually appealing design. Ceiling paint color design plays a crucial role in the overall ambience of a space. By considering factors such as lighting, room size, style, and ceiling architecture, you can create a visually appealing design that enhances the overall look and feel of the room. Whether it's a bold choice or a more subtle approach, the right ceiling paint color can completely transform the look and feel of your space.